Hello everyone. This time we'll have a look at a broker called Binomo, an interesting name and a broker that offers smart investments, as you can see here in front of your eyes. If you sign up and leave your details, your personal details, then you will get a $1,000 demo account, which is a good thing for any broker because this is how you will test the broker's offering in terms of the spreads offered, the difference between bid and ask, the prices that you can sell or buy currencies or whatever the broker offers. And you may test if these spreads are variable, if they are fixed, how they vary when the market is volatile, and so on and so forth. A demo account is a good thing. But that's pretty much the only good thing that you will find at this broker because and also it is the only way to find out the markets that this broker offers to trade, because there is no place on this website, no matter where you go, to tell you what are the actual markets. Do you offer the euro US dollar, only euro, euro US dollar and euro Japanese yen, or what are the markets? So that's one problem right from the start. Besides the demo account, that is a good part. You should want to know before investigating a broker or before looking at a broker's offering, you want to know if the broker is regulated or not. This is not a regulated broker, and with this I've said enough. Under the regulation tab here, it is the broker claims that it is regulated by the Financial Commission Category A. Okay. This doesn't sound like a regular regulator, if you want. On the top left of the website, if we go on the information tab and under regulations, then we see that this Financial Commission is a neutral and independent dispute resolution organization. Again, this is not a regulator. A dispute resolution basically provides protection in case that a member refuses to adhere to a judgment. So you need to file a complaint and so on. But this is not your regulator. So to claim regulation as a broker via an independent self-regulatory body, that is not something that you wanna have as an FX trader, because your broker needs to be your partner, not to delegate the authority to some other independent entity. If we move back on the main page, we see that there are 133 countries of presence. I doubt that, because if you try to use this button here to sign in, and if you are, for instance, from the European Union, you will see that your business is not accepted. You cannot open a trading account because on the European Union territory, in order to offer trading services to the European citizens, you need to be regulated. The same is happening in the United States and all over the developed world. What else? The benefits of this platform. What platform? Because we cannot see what is the trading platform. Is it MetaTrader? Is it web-based? Probably it is web-based if I'm judging by this small chart here, because this chart here doesn't look like MetaTrader. Work on the weekends, trading when it suits you. The platform works for you 7 days a week. It leads us to believe that this broker offers cryptocurrencies, or the cryptocurrency market is open over the weekend. That would be, if you want, a small advantage, but trading with an unregulated broker should scare anyone away from it. Online support, you can send a message anytime. So this is not a live chat, but you can send a message. Demo account we already discussed, and free trading with one of the guys there. But the main problem remains. We don't know the market that this broker offers. We don't know the trading platforms. As we can see here, is web-based, probably download for Android and App Store. Basically, it could be a simple app, and that would be pretty much it. no regulation. And as a company, it is incorporated in St. Vincent and Grenadine. Basically, there is an offshore broker. Moving forward, let's play a bit with this menu here. For traders, what do we have? Tournaments for traders. All right. We see here 5 categories of tournaments. Let's see what it is here. If we go on the fortnight, what do we have? We have a prize fund of 25,000 until end, and there is a cost to join. All right. If we move back, let's go on. What do we have here still for traders? Promotions. Let's see what promotion. Ooh, a mega bonus. A mega bonus says what? Giving away 100% bonus on the deposit. So on a deposit of $10, the bonus is 100%. So on the $10 deposit, you will get $20 deposited in your account. Now, this tells us something about the accounts or the trading accounts offering and the leverage offering. No broker in the developed world uses leverage of more than 1 to 30 or more than 1 to 100, but even that is limited in some cases. So this is an offshore broker that offers thousands of leverages, so 1 to 1,000, 1 to 2,000, something that is not possible to offer throughout the world. Let's go back to the homepage for the last time, because there is literally not much more to see on this broker. For the last time, this would be the successful trades in the past week. All right. A bit of a chart here that suggests that this is a web-based platform. Work on the weekends, meaning that they offer access to the cryptocurrency market. A unique mode of trading, non-stop. I don't know what's unique on this one, because the FX market is closed over the weekend, and it means that you can only probably trade Bitcoin and some other altcoins. Minimum account balance from $10, suggesting that these are micro accounts and an offshore broker. And more important than all, this broker is not regulated. So sending money to this broker comes at your own risk. Make sure you are comfortable with that, or if not, simply avoid it. There are so many other brokers out there that are true partners to their traders. This one is not. Have a great day. Bye-bye.